Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for all you dirt bike enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the P1TOOLS Motorcross Dirt Bike Plastic Fork Support Guard. If you're serious about protecting your bike during transportation, stick around because this might just be the best fork saver available on the market today. The P1TOOLS Fork Support Guard is specifically designed to safeguard your dirt bike's front fork during transportation. Made from durable injection molded Lexan, this brace ensures maximum strength without adding unnecessary weight. It fits snugly between the front fender and tire, effectively limiting suspension action and preventing any potential damage to your bike or vehicle. In terms of performance, users rave about how well it holds up even under rough transport conditions. The brace effectively keeps the bike stable and secure, minimizing any jostling that could potentially damage the delicate suspension components. Looking at user experiences, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Riders appreciate the peace of mind knowing their bikes are well protected. Many have noted that it's a must-have for anyone who regularly transports their dirt bike to tracks or trails. Compared to similar products on the market, the P1TOOLS Fork Support Guard stands out for its robust build quality and ease of use. It's competitively priced considering its durability and effectiveness. So, should you invest in the P1TOOLS Motorcross Dirt Bike Plastic Fork Support Guard? Absolutely! It's clear that this product offers unmatched protection and peace of mind for your dirt bike's front fork during transportation. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a competitive racer, safeguarding your bike's suspension is essential. And this fork saver does the job admirably. If you're interested in picking up one of these for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations.
Thanks for watching.